Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nguyễn Ngọc from Nguyễn Tất Thành University, Vietnam. It's my pleasure to be here today and present you about the topic Mimosa Pudica sensitive blend, chemical components, phenolic contents, flavonoid contents, and antioxidant activities. My ID number was 57. The first one, I would like to introduce you about the Mimosa pudica, which name is sensitive plant, and the family Fabaceae included easy to care for plumbing plant Mimosa pudica. And this plant may be found in a number of locations, including some sea level to around 130 meters above sea level in the garden, roadside, or landfill. In addition to having attractive quality, this Mimosa pudica also serves useful purpose. Just for instance, it possesses a great antibacterial and antioxidant properties, and as well as the soil purification abilities. In the research of almond, Mimosa pudica may be considered a promising antivenom agent of the snake, Nasa, and bites eaten. To determine the amount of polyphenols and flavonoid content in these plants, I studied first elevated the phytochemical screening, and at the same time the capacity to neuralize the oxidation agents was assessed, including the capacity of DDPH and ABTS. The whole plant of Mimosa pudica was ground and harvested in the Lac province, Vietnam in August 2021, and the material was dried and before the extraction, it will quickly dry at 55 Celsius degrees until the moisture content was less than 20%, and is found to be a size below 0.5 millimeters and extracted following discharge. And there were two different solvents used to extract rice powder. The first one is ethanol 90%, the second one is water. After doing this process, the products obtained were right ethanol extract and right average extract, and those of this one will be tested about the composition, DDPH, IBTS, and the amount of polyphenol and flavonoid contents. The photochemical screening which depends on the process of the research of Nguyen in 1922. The positive research for the presence of compounds is just like in these pictures. Like alkaloids, we have the orange red precipitate. On the test in polyphenol, flavonoid, TDPH, and IBTS would follow the charts like polyphenol, we use following suggested aerations with the standard with gallic acid, and flavonoids would based on the aluminum chloride colorimetric method, with the standard was quercetin. Now we move to the research and discussions. The research of our analysis demonstrated that the phytochemical analysis of Mimosa pudica were presence of compounds such as tannin, alkaloid, saponin, coumarin, reductions compounds, sugar, flavonoid, and terpenoid. Similar research to the research of Sands in 1919, the research of Mimosa pudica extracted by a different solvent so that this plant contains many active ingredients. The TPC, this means total polyphenol and flavonoid contents, was in this pair. This chart we see that the polyphenol content of ethanol extract was higher than average extract. The study showed that the TBC and the TFC contents were different when using different solvents to extract. The antioxidant activity of Mimosa showed that have a good antioxidant activity with corresponding low IC50 values, especially the IC50 values for the free radical nucleation DTPH were 182.55 and 401.38 as the value of ethanol and the hour of extract respectively. When using ABTS assay gave a better results, with lower ICVT values. The ethanol extract was 54.21 microgram per milliliter, and the average extract was 74.6 microgram per milliliter. Following the research of Nguyen in 2022, the ICVT value of Mimosa Pudica steam extract was similar to our study. We move to conclusions that research showed that Mimosa Pudica contains a lot of valuable active ingredients which using suitable solvent can get the desired requirement. Typically, the use of alcohol this ethanol solvent can result in the extractions with many active polyphenols and flavonoid contents, and also have the best antioxidant activity through DTPH and ABTS. Thanks you for listening.